Yauru?
Now Bijapur.
Bijapur. You're from? You're from Bombay. You're all from Bombay?
Yes.
All from Bombay. How is Hampi?
Very good.
Very good.
Huh?
We were just appreciating how much is being done for the culture.
Yeah. You stay for another 4-5 days. Hampi Ustav is going very good.
Sorry.
You have to see that. You have to see that program.
Yeah, I'm
Too
too
good. In your life, you have not seen that like program. Like that program is there. 13, 14, 15. 3 days. Try to stay.
Yes.
When are you planning to go?
As such tomorrow, but
Bombay is calling us.
no, we are going Dandeli afterwards. So,
So last you have to make the program here now.
right?
That you have to see in lifetime.
We were not aware of that.
No, lifetime you have to see that program.
Yes, sure.
Very good arrangement. Minimum 9 to 10 lakh public will be here. Very good arrangements.
Are there performances?
Huh?
Are there performances?
Yeah, all performances are there. 6 stage we have main stage is there. All artists are coming from Karnataka, big artists like Shivraj Kumar, Rashita Ram, Shivraj Kumar, Rashita Ram, Dali Dhananjaya. Our state, the chief minister is inaugurating the function.
And this happens every year.
Every year. Thank you.
Thank you. Bah.